Hello everyone, my name is Shai. I am the owner of My World of Curls on Instagram and now here on YouTube. And today I am here with an empties. Yes, another empties. I'm going through these products like crazy, as I should. And I'm going to share with you guys what I have emptied this week after the intro. So welcome back from the intro. I am here with another empties and I'm gonna get right into it because I don't want this video to be long, so we're gonna jump right into it. So the first product that I have is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I got this a while ago. I want to say like a year or so ago. I know I got it from Ulta when they had that hair beauty week thing that they do where stuff is half off, and I heard a bunch of great things about this, so I decided to try it, and it is completely empty. What can I say? This I will absolutely repurchase. At first I didn't really get the hype, but as I started to use it more consistently, I noticed that this was something that I would go to because it would make my hair feel so good after I used it. So yes, I would repurchase. I believe this has protein, so you have to use it really carefully, but I did really like this. Really like this deep conditioner. Next we have some skincare here. I have this Bliss Mint Chip Mania Cooling and Soothing Ice Cream Textured Mask. This was an interesting mask. I got it from Marshalls and I believe I paid like $5.99 for it, so it's a bargain. I honestly like the brand Bliss, so I feel like if I did see more of their stuff I would pick it up. This mask in particular I really liked. As it says, it gives you like a cooling feeling because it's supposed to be like mint chocolate chip ice cream, and it has like little black specks in it which you like massage into your face. I really did like this. If I find this in Marshalls again, I would repurchase it. Yeah, and it's completely empty. That's out of there. And it brought a good amount of mask for like the amount that I paid. Like that lasted me a while. Like it lasted me about a year. So it brings a good amount of products in there. So we have this Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Moisture Cream for sensitive skin. I really like this. I picked this up because I needed a moisturizer for my face, and I picked this up. I did not regret it. I only had to use a little bit and this lasted me a while. I would pick up if I saw it. I really like the Bliss products that I've tried, so I feel like I'm more open to pick up that brand when I go to Marshalls and see it. But yeah, I only paid $5.99 for this too, I believe. Next we have, this is another Funk Butter by Oyin Handmade. You guys know that I told you guys that I switched over to natural deodorant, and this is the main one that I'm using because I'm sponsored by Oyin Handmade, and this works really well for me. This is the Coco and Mango scent. This is my favorite scent out of the 3 scents that they have. I have not tried the unscented because I'm a scent type of gal, but I tried the Black Cedar Fig and I told you guys that I like that one, but it has an issue that it gets like dry. I didn't experience it with this one, so I have like 3 more of these. So I really like these. These last you a long time. This literally took me like 6 months to finish. I kid you not. So highly recommend, and this is only $10 and it lasts you a really long time. I will continue to pick this up, and I absolutely love the Funk Butters. In particular, I like the Cocoa Mango better than all of them. Next I have the Spathecary Refreshing Cucumber Facial Cleansing Wipes. This I got in a pack. I told you guys I got this for Secret Santa, but I love these makeup wipes. These makeup wipes, like they're cucumber of course, but they make your skin feel amazing. I told you guys that sometimes I use this at night and then when I wake up I'm like, what did I use on my face? Because it feels so good. This is some of my favorite makeup wipes, and I have like 2 more packs of them, so I'm really happy that I do. But yeah, I finished this one. Then I have this Tula Skincare Probiotics and Superfoods, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This is like a cult classic, as it says, and it's a really good cleanser. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I got this as a gift, and Ulta is actually gonna have a sale of it soon, so it's gonna be for like $12. And this, I liked it. I really like this cleanser, and it lasted me a long time because a little goes a long way. So I would recommend, and I would repurchase. Next I have this Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Fragrance Mist. I forgot when I picked this up. I think I picked this up a while ago. This has lasted me a while because usually I'm more of like a perfume type of girl. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't really I don't really go towards mist because mist don't last me that long, and I have a bunch of perfume, so I'd rather smell good all day and not have to reapply anything. I mainly use these for bedtime, or like if I'm going to work and I don't really want to smell too strong that day. But yes, I would repurchase this scent. This is one of my favorite scents from Victoria's Secret. It has whipped vanilla, soft cashmere, and it's a skin to skin, but this smells really good. It's like a really good vanilla scent. So yes, I would repurchase, but just not right now because I'm not really into mist like that. I'm more into perfumes. But would I pick it up in the future? Yes. Next we have, this is the Fourth Ray. This is ColourPop's brand. This is the Fresh AF Mist. Honestly, this wasn't that impressionate to me. It took forever for me to finish because it wasn't that impressionate to me, and it didn't really do anything for me. Like, I guess it's supposed to be like before you put on your makeup, but I'm more of putting on a mist after my makeup, so I didn't really use this as much, so I would not repurchase this. But I do like the brand Fourth Ray. I just don't like this. And then I have some Bath and Body Works stuff I'm gonna get through. Just like 3 body creams and 1 body wash. So I went through this Ivory Cashmere Bath and Body Works shower gel. I picked this up during their semi-annual sale this winter, and this has notes of fresh lakeside air, silver musk, white amber. Might I say, I love these body washes. I'm going to pick these up a lot more because I really do like these body washes. They smell so good, and it just makes your shower experience a better experience for you because you're just smelling like such greatness. And yeah, I would repurchase this shower gel, not this scent in particular because it got a little bit annoying to me, but I would repurchase the Bath and Body Works shower gels. Then I have this Bath and Body Works Vanilla Be Noel Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. This smelled so chocolatey to me. It smells so chocolatey to me, which is weird because the scents are fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, snow-kissed musk. And let me tell you, this smelled like chocolate to me. Like, I could have sworn there was like cocoa in there or something, but there's not. Maybe the cocoa butter that they use gave it like a bit of a chocolatey scent, but I really did like the scent. Yes, I would pick this up. It smelled so yummy. I like pairing this with a bunch of stuff because it is vanilla. It's like very compatible with a lot of scents that I have, so I would pick up Vanilla Be Noel. It's actually a really great scent that I will pick up probably next year again. Then I have this Love Cotton Candy Champagne. I remember this smells a lot to me like strawberry pound cake, but it's like more cotton candy. It like doesn't smell as much as like strawberry. But this thing got really annoying to me. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It got really annoying to me after a while, so I feel like would I pick this up? Maybe, if I was feeling like smelling like cotton candy, but I'm not gonna lie, this scent did get overwhelming, so just keep that in mind. Then I have the scent Fairy Tale by Bath and Body Works. I actually went through this this week. I really like this scent. It does kind of smell like Libre by YSL, I believe. That's one of my favorite perfumes. I had it, I went through it, as you guys know, but I actually really do like this scent, and it does smell like it a little bit. I can see the resemblance now after using it for like 2 weeks. These body creams, like I said, last me about 2 weeks, so I go through them pretty quickly. But yeah, I really do like the scent. I would repurchase Fairy Tale. Okay, then I have this Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I'm trying to see if there's a shade. There's no shade, but this is the color of it. I like this. It didn't last me very long, but this was only like $4, so I really can't ask for a lot, and I feel like I would repurchase it because it wasn't bad. I would repurchase it in the future. The shade is Light Ivory, but it's a okay concealer. If you're on a budget, you could pick that up, but I really like the e.l.f. ones way better, so I would save a little bit more money and get the e.l.f. ones instead. Then I have, this is the last product, by the way. This is the CurlDaze Glossy Shine Gel. This I received in PR because, as you guys know, I work with CurlDaze, and I really do like this gel. This gel was really good for my wash and goes. However, it gives me like a little bit of a sticky feeling when I use it for a wash and go, and it's like a really sticky type of gel. I use this a lot for slick backs. It wasn't like the best for slick backs, but it did the job. So this, I have another backup of this, but I feel like personally, out of my pocket, I wouldn't repurchase this just because I don't like the sticky feeling. And it was a good gel. It's just that I've tried gels that give me the same result without this type of consistency. In particular for slick backs, I like to use the Alley K Naturals lemongrass gel that they have. That one is amazing for slick backs. This one, it would fail me sometimes, and if you use a lot of it, it's bad, and if you lose a little bit, it's bad. You have to find like the happy medium. So I probably would not repurchase, but I do have backups and they do send me it, so I do use it. So that's CurlDaze, and that is it for my empties. Not that many empties, but I just don't want my empties to pile up too much, because then the video is gonna be hours long, and I don't really want that, you know. Like, I want to give you guys like a little bit of a break sometimes, because I know you guys like to watch what I use up, but at the same time, I'm not trying to bore you. So that is it for my empties. Hopefully there's more to come. I want to use up a lot of my products, and as you guys know, I have a lot of products. So my mission is to not buy any more products, or as much as I can. I'm going on a low buy and use up the ones that I have. So that is my mission, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like any of the products that I mentioned, comment down below. Give this video a like if you like this content, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you, and see you next video. Bye.